Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have another master lock to show off. So this is it says up here to number 5 SS KADJ DLJ. So basically what all that means is it's a number 5 stainless steel edition with max weather resistance, and KA means key to like, and DLJ, I think it's a long shackle. Security level 9 on that guy. So I do have the key, but you can see it on this one. So this is a pretty cool little stainless steel lock. I like the way that these stainless steel locks look with the black bumper and stuff. But so let's do a out of package pick with this number 5. There's the bottom. So it is brand new, hasn't been done anything with. Never stuck a pick in here before, but I've been successful without a packet pick maybe a couple times, and the last time with those other triple pack thing I did. So let's just see how this one goes. Click there, 1, 2. 3. It doesn't feel like that 4 is doing anything. So let's go back through again. There we go. So what's holding us up now? I don't know. Let's find out. One. Feels like a set. 2. 3. Somebody's home. Dogs are barking. Someone's coming down the stairs. Oh, there we go. Number 4 finally did it. So there we go, another little out of package pick with this beautiful master lock number 5. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you're subscribed and you leave a like. Definitely leave comments down below and let me know what you think. So anyway, there we go.